Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. They should probably be gone before they hit.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplies.
Hey, you want CDs here? Hey, all be super cheap.
Is the new guy around?
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Theo! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No，唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食咪多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢㗎！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！廢話，你啲廢話邊人聽啊？
You want food? Come on!
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, all brands here are real. Hey, come on in.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you! Get out of the fucking way, boy! Out of my way!
Coming through! Oh, shit!
有冇人救我啊
One of everything, man. What do you want? 全部新鮮翻㗎。
睇緊飛盤拎俾大家試下。
嚟啦，唔買都埋嚟睇啊！
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed! Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd! 仲有得靠樣揾食啊！你冇機會啊！ 準備俾人整鳩死啊！ Fucking kill him, please! 喂，打鳩死你啊！你知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？專踢屎忽啊！ 咁矛底啊，靚仔！ Kill you！ 殺你個仆街！ Dog guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck dog guys! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay, but please, make sure Dog Guys doesn't kill me.
睇人，咪走啊！咪喐，放低。Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
For God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know.
Doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the